HardeningKitty is an open-source PowerShell script developed to help audit and harden the security of both client and server Windows operating systems. Created by the security company SIPAG, this tool allows system administrators and cybersecurity professionals to manage Windows security settings quickly and automatically. Benefits of using HardeningKitty: reduces the risk of misconfigurations. Many security problems don't stem directly from OS vulnerabilities, but from insecure default configurations, such as running unnecessary services or using outdated protocols. Saves time. Instead of manually checking registry or group policy settings one by one, HardeningKitty runs a single command and quickly provides a comprehensive overview. To install HardeningKitty, go to the GitHub page, link is in the video description, and copy this code to download and install. Follow this video for easier installation. Then, open PowerShell, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Paste the copied code into the window and press Enter. Press Enter again to allow it to download and install. This may take a moment. This step requires copying the code from the Google Docs below this video. You can choose between Windows 10 Pro or Windows Enterprise. Select the version of Windows you are using, then copy and paste the code. Then, let it run the script on its own until it's finished. This might take a while. Once the script has finished installing, use the update command via cmd or restart your computer. That's all it takes to successfully install HardeningKitty.